Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, physical ailments, mental illness is at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is positive action. I need you to stay positive. The things that you've been working on, do not give up. Breakthrough happens as soon as things seem like they're going to break down. In the darkest moments, that's when the blossoming and the sun comes out and you see the great new season and the new land, the new life, the new frequency that you've been working on and building comes to light. So positive action. I don't need you to be in your low valleys. I don't need you to be in troubled waters. I need you to be at that calm beach water that everyone's invited to say, this is a great beach day. This is great to be around this Cancer. Our bodies are magnets. The energy we put out, positive energy, only can bring out positive blessings and expedite the journey to getting the things that we want. I focus on the beauty within me because you're so beautiful. We all love you. And I know once you look in the mirror, you can see the beauty within yourself. I need you to have full confidence in that and build yourself up. Pour into your cup where you don't need anyone else to say, you're doing a great job, you're beautiful. No, you make sure that you are your biggest cheerleader and watch how you make a huge difference in your thoughts and in your actions. Once you feel better, you think better, and your actions in life become better. I live and honor the present by doing what I can now. What I cannot change, I let go and entrust into God, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ. They say, give me your burden. Give me your worry. Stop being negative. You might be surrounded by negativity. You might be surrounded by the darkness, but let me handle that. And you, where you see these little specks of light of opportunity, you handle that. Only focus on those things. And in no time, your life does change and everything brightens up. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Be loving to yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. I love you.